Good morning, everyone. Let us start with day 27, part 2 of our regular SAP FICO session. Today, we will configure the tolerances that we discussed in part 1, GL tolerance, user tolerance, and customer vendor tolerance. And apart from this, we will also configure the retained earning account. I have already logged into SAP. As of now, I am in the easy access menu. Let me go into the customizing menu by typing the transaction code SPRO and clicking on the SAP reference IMG to configure the GL tolerance, user tolerance, and customer vendor tolerance. For configuring the GL and user tolerance, I will go to the financial accounting. Within financial accounting, GL accounting, business transaction, open item clearing, clearing differences, and here we have defined tolerance group for GL accounts. So RCII is my company code, and I am creating a blank tolerance so that I don't have to assign this tolerance to each and every GL account. Which means if I create the blank tolerance group, it is automatically assigned to all the GL accounts that are created in the system. RCI GL blank tolerance group, and I mentioned like I do not want to allow any clearing difference as part of my requirement gathering. So the clearing of the GL line item should be only allowed if the debit of the clearing line and the credit of the line which is being cleared are equal, so that I am not giving any amount here. Let me save it. Just go back. The next thing is defining the tolerance group for the employees. For the employee also, I am making the group as blank so that I don't have to assign it to each and every employee. Amount per document, we mentioned that will be allowing 10 lakh of document value and cash discount up to 10%, and payment difference will not allow anything. So we have set GL booking can be made up to 10 lakh, customer vendor invoice can be made up to 10 lakh, and cash discount up to 10% can be provided. Let's go back. And payment difference will not be allowed. So this is about the user tolerance and GL tolerance. The next that we have is the customer vendor tolerance. So let's go into business transaction, open item clearing, clearing differences, and here we have defined tolerance for customers and suppliers. Click on new entries. My company code is RCII. This is RCI blank tolerance for customer vendor, wherein I don't want to allow any payment differences, and let me save it. The payment amount must equal to the invoice amount in order to clear the invoice, otherwise it's to not allow. That's why I have not put any payment difference amount here. Let's go back. So with this we have set up all the three tolerance categories that are required to be set up. Next that we have is the retained earning account setup. So for the retained earning account, go into financial accounting, global setting. Okay, we do not have that here. GL accounting, master data, GL accounts, preparation, and here we have defined retained earning account. Our chart of account is RCIG, and P&L statement account type is X, and we have to assign a retained earning account here. Let's go into the new session and look for our account group, SPRO, this, and check what are our accounts group that we have created. Go in GL account, master data, GL accounts preparation, and here we have define account group. Let's search for our chart of account. So under the liabilities, as you remember, yesterday we already created this GL account 2 lakh for zero balance clearing. Let's create this last GL account for retained earning account. To create the GL account, we use the transaction FS00 and copy this and create retained earning account. In this, manual entries should not be allowed, and let me save it. So this is the retained earning that we have created, and let me assign here and save it. So we have completed the practical configuration of the retained earning and all the three tolerance. With this, let us close. We'll meet again tomorrow. Thank you.